Yes, student, today we start the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, in which the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, as you know, nucleus control all the activities of the cell. न्यूक्लियस सेल की सभी एक्टिविटीज को कंट्रोल करती है, आपको पता है जैसे। तो अब क्या होता है कि कुछ सेल्स ऐसी होती हैं जिनके अंदर न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल के चारों ओर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल के चारों ओर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नहीं होता, तो उसमें क्या करते हैं, that is without nuclear membrane, and that is not called the nucleus, that is called nucleus, and it is present in prokaryotic cell, and that is in bacteria and cyanobacteria. And in eukaryotic cell, nuclear material is bounded by the nuclear membrane, that is called eukaryotic cell, and it is present in plant, animal, and fungal cells. So now you can do the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryote small in size, that is 1 to 10 micrometer. Organized nucleus is absent. A single DNA molecule is present suspended in the cytoplasm. Nucleus is absent. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Typical vacuoles are absent. Mitosis is absent. Bacteria and cyanobacteria are prokaryotes and eukaryotes. After that, eukaryotes larger in size, that is 5 to 100 micrometer. Eukaryotes are larger in size, that is 100 to micrometer. Larger in size, 5 to 100 micron. Organized nucleus is present with nuclear membrane. Nucleus is present and the several DNA molecules are present. Membrane bound cell organelles are present. Typical vacuoles are present and mitosis is also present in eukaryotes. Example, plants, animal, and fungi. These 3 marks question always asked in the exam of the 9th class, but a difference in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. As I think you will be very well understand about this. ये आप लोगों को बहुत ही अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा ये. Now you can understand the animal cell. Eukaryotic cell में आप एक animal cell का diagram बनाइए in which the different cell organelles are shown. The living part of the cell are called cell organelles. The main cell organelles are mitochondria, chloroplast. Chloroplast is present in plant cell, not in animal cell. Ribosome, cytoskeleton, that is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Here the name written as cytoskeleton, it is the endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, both they have shown. Rough endoplasmic reticulum form the nuclear membrane. Then here the plasma membrane, peroxisome, and centrioles. First of all, I want to tell you the double membrane bound cell organelle. Mitochondria and chloroplast are the double membrane bound cell. Mitochondria and chloroplast are the double membrane bound cell organelle. Ribosome is membrane less cell organelle. ये आप अच्छी तरह ध्यान रखना है, इसमें भी 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन, नेम द मेम्ब्रेन लेस सेल ऑर्गेनेल, ये पूछा जाता है तो आप कहेंगे राइबोसोम. एंड द सिंगल मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनेल, लाइसोसोम, वैक्यूल, गोल्गी apparatus, these are the single membrane bound cell organelles. Cytoplasm, the content of the cell except for the nucleus. It includes cell organelles, vesicles, and cytoskeleton. The viscous fluid present in the cell membrane and nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm. The viscous fluid present in the cell membrane and nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm has 2 parts, cytosol and cell organelle. Cytosol is the fluid part of the cytoplasm, homogeneous and crystalloidal liquid that contains substance, water, ions, enzymes, vitamins, amino acids, and carbohydrates, lipid, proteins, etc. Cell organelle are the submicroscopic structure which are specialized to perform specific cellular functions. Cell organelle may be bounded by the membrane as eukaryotes, but prokaryotes lack the membrane bound organelle. This is also a very important point. जो यूकैरियोटिक सेल होते हैं उनमें मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनेल होते हैं, और जो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल होते हैं उनमें मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनेल. वायरस lack the cytoplasm as well as membranes. Virus lack the cytoplasm as well as membranes. This you can understand very well. After that, we have to start the first cell organelle, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. The interconnected network of cisternae, tubules, and vesicles is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endo means internal, प्लाज्मा जो इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क ऑफ सिस्टर्नी ट्यूब्यूल्स एंड वेसिकल्स, interconnected network of cisternae tubules and vesicles is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of interconnected membrane distributed throughout the cytoplasm. Internal compartments like the lumen is a separate part of the with a distinct protein and ion composition. The endoplasmic reticulum, it is commonly called ER, folding generates a surface area much greater than part of the plasma membrane. At certain site, the endoplasmic reticulum membrane is continuous with the outer nuclear membrane. ये एंडोप्लाज्मिक मेम्ब्रेन न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के साथ सेल मेम्ब्रेन से बिल्कुल कनेक्टेड होता है और ये न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. Depending upon the presence or absence of ribosome on the surface, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum दो टाइप्स के होते हैं, एक रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, एक स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक. Rough endoplasmic reticulum characterized by the presence of ribosome on its surface, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum devoid of ribosomes. एक तो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम पे राइबोसोम होते हैं और एक स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम पे राइबोसोम्स नहीं होते. You can see the structure of also that is the lumen space between the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic. You can clearly distinguish it that is the rough and smooth. Rough have a ribosomes and smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not have ribosomes. Then the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic is the site for protein synthesis. यहाँ पे एक बात ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि राइबोसोम प्रोटीन बनाते हैं. Ribosomes are also commonly known as the protein factory, but site वो जगह जहाँ पे प्रोटीन बनती है, इस बात को अच्छी तरह आप दिमाग में क्लियर करें. कई बार बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस तो राइबोसोम करते हैं, पर मैं आपको बता दूं वो जगह सेल के अंदर जहां पे राइबोसोम रहती हैं वहां पे प्रोटीन जहां बनती हैं उसे रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज द साइट ऑफ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. लिपिड सिंथेसिस. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हेल्प इन द लिपिड सिंथेसिस. अब ये प्रोटीन भी बना रहे हैं, लिपिड भी बना रहे हैं, तो ये क्या बनाएंगे? मेम्ब्रेन. मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर आप समझ सकते हो जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है दैट इज फास्फोलिपिड. सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड फास्फोलिपिड. अब प्रोटीन भी बन रहे हैं और लिपिड भी बन रहे हैं, तो ये क्या बनाएंगे? सेल मेम्ब्रेन. प्रोटीन एंड लिपिड synthesized on endoplasmic reticulum are used for making membrane, used for making cell membrane. The process of formation of cell membrane is called membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis, this is the term written in the NCERT also. You can must see it. Membrane. What is membrane biogenesis? The process of formation of endoplasmic reticulum is called membrane biogenesis. Then the endoplasmic reticulum help in the transport. सेल के अंदर अगर सामान को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजना तो उसके लिए कौन हेल्प करेगा? ट्रांसपोर्ट का काम करेगा सेल मेम्ब्रेन. Help in intercellular and intracellular transport of substances. Support, it gives internal support to the cytoplasm. So it is called the cytoskeleton. Cell endoplasmic reticulum को cytoskeleton भी कहते हैं. SCR in liver cells take part in detoxification. What is detoxification? Changing of harmful substances to the harmless substances is called detoxification. Changing of harmful substances to the harmless substances is called detoxification. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस को हार्म, ये काम कौन करता है ह्यूमन बॉडी में? लीवर. लीवर के अंदर स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम काफी होता है. Many poisonous drugs. So what is difference between SCR and RER? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent. Synthesized lipid and steroids, mainly formed of vesicle and tubules. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. Synthesized proteins and formed by the cisternae. इसके अंदर ये cisternae. Then the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus या Golgi complex, first of all discovered by the name the scientist Camillo Golgi. सबसे पहले इसे किसने डिस्कवर किया था? Camillo Golgi ने. So its name is Golgi complex. Golgi complex is an organelle of the membrane bound sac tubular vesicles secrete complex biochemicals. Golgi is a single complex in the animal cells. In plant cell they are separate into units called dictyosomes. तो यहाँ पे ये पॉइंट भी अच्छी तरह हमने, प्लांट सेल के अंदर गोल्जी कम्प्लेक्स को डिक्टियोसोम्स कहते हैं और ये सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. किसमें? सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन में. मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड sacs of Golgi are called cisternae. Cisternae occur in sacs, tubules and vesicles occur in their periphery. Then the Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, सिस एंड गोल्जी apparatus का ये डायग्राम दिखाया गया है। इसके दो साइड होते हैं, एक सिस और ट्रांस साइड। जो सिस साइड होती है वो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की तरफ और ट्रांस साइड प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की तरफ और सिस साइड है ये न्यूक्लियस की ओर दिखाएगी। ये इसके डायग्राम आप अच्छी तरह बना भी सकते हैं। सिस और सिस्टर्नी, ट्रांस रीजन, गोल्जी apparatus, प्रोटीन्स फॉर यूज ऑफ विद इन द सेल्स। Rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex have two sides, cis and trans side. Cis side toward the plasma membrane, cis side toward the nuclear membrane, and trans side toward the plasma membrane. I again clear you, and from diagram it is also very well clear that the cis side is toward nuclear membrane and trans side is toward the cell membrane. Golgi apparatus is then the functions of the Golgi complex. Golgi apparatus is involved in the synthesis of. Golgi apparatus is involved in the repair and synthesis of the membrane. Lysosomes are formed by Golgi complex. Lysosomes are formed by Golgi complex. All types of substances which are to be secreted or excreted are packed in vesicles. Are packed in vesicle by the Golgi apparatus for the passage of outside. To the outside, all types of substances which are to be secreted or excreted are packed in vesicles by Golgi apparatus or the passage to the outside. Golgi apparatus is also known as storehouse of the cell. बच्चों ये आपने पहले 8th क्लास में पढ़ा हुआ है कि Golgi apparatus storehouse of the cell भी है और ये लाइसोसोम बनाने में हेल्प करता है. Take part in storage, modification and packaging of the various biochemical produced by different components of the cell. Components of the cell wall are synthesized by Golgi apparatus. Complex and special sugars are made by Golgi. Golgi apparatus changes the simple sugar into complex. Golgi apparatus changes the simple sugar into complex sugar. This is also an important function of that. After that, next is the lysosomes. Lysosomes are the single membrane bound structure. It is also called the digestive bag of the cell. It is also called digestive bag of the cell. It is formed by the Golgi complex and it contains hydrolytic enzymes. It contains hydrolytic enzymes. It can synthesize the food. Sometime when there is no food is available, lysosomes may burst and digest to start their own cell. Digest to start their own cell and engulf the total cell. Therefore, lysosomes are called suicidal bags. ये क्वेश्चन भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट और कई बार आता है. Why lysosomes are called suicidal bag of the cell? Why? It contains hydrolytic enzymes, and when the cell bursts, it may digest their own cell organelle and cell, so it is called digestive or the suicidal bags of the cell. It is called the suicidal bags. Lysosome, the suicide bag, lysosome generally found in the animal cell. They lack in plant cell. Plant cell में कम ही होते हैं. Are small spherical vesicles covered by the single membrane contain digestive enzyme for intercellular digestion and waste disposal. These enzymes are synthesized by our rough endoplasmic reticulum. In damaged cell, lysosomes burst to release enzyme for digestion of the cellular component. Functions of the lysosome: destruction of foreign particles, intracellular digestion, removal of cell debris, time of metamorphosis. Organs are digested by the lysosomes. तो इसके ये organs को भी digest करते हैं. After that, next cell organelle, double membrane bound cell organelle, largest in the animal cell. Largest cell organelle in the animal cell. It was first of all discovered by the Kolliker, that is the name of the scientist, in 1880. After that, its name is given by Banda in 1898. Mitochondria is a rod-shaped cell organelle of the aerobic eukaryotes, जो ऑक्सीजन को यूज करती हैं. Take part in the Krebs cycle. It is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Commonly called powerhouse of the cell because they contain enzyme necessary for total oxidation of food and for release of high amount of energy in the form of ATP. यहाँ पे आप एक क्वेश्चन और भी ध्यान रख सकते हैं. What is energy currency? ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It is bounded by two membrane. Outer membrane is smooth and porous, while inner membrane is folded inward to form the crista. Crista contains oxysome. They are partially embedded in the inner membrane. Mitochondria enclose a matrix having DNA, ribosomes, and enzymes. DNA and ribosome make the mitochondria semi-autonomous, as they are able to manufacture some of their own proteins and enzymes. Here you may write the question: name the semi-autonomous cell organelle. Name the semi-autonomous cell organelle. So your answer is mitochondria and chloroplast. Why are these called so? They can synthesize some of the required proteins. They can synthesize some of the required proteins, but not all. So these are called the semi-autonomous. Semi-autonomous cell organelle. Here you can see the diagram of the mitochondria. The diagram of the mitochondria is the matrix, etc., and outer membrane, inner membrane,